Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna relax though because I feel really uptight right now. Yeah. It's a crazy fucking week.
He was the most curious kid ever. Then I heard that he was listening to George Knapp.
Hello and welcome to On the Record. About 9 months ago, we invited former state Senate candidate John Lear to appear on this program to talk not about politics, but about UFOs.
George Knapp, he's a journalist who broke the story about Area 51 several years ago. Thank you both for being here on the show.